In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your work in GIMP the right way, whether you want to keep it editable for later or export it as a finished image you can share anywhere. This is one of the most important things to understand when you're using GIMP, because saving and exporting are not the same thing. If you choose the wrong option, you might lose layers, text, or transparency, or end up with a file that won't open the way you expect. So if you want to protect your work and make sure you can come back and edit it later, keep watching. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. All right, let's jump into it. First, let's talk about the best option if you are still working on your design. If you want to keep your layers, your text, your edits, and even transparent backgrounds, you should save your project as an editable GIMP file. This is the recommended method when your work is not completely finished yet. To do that, click File in the top menu. Then choose Save As. On some systems, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. After that, choose the folder on your computer where you want to store the file. Give your project a name that you'll recognize later, and GIMP will automatically add the XCF extension at the end. XCF is GIMP's native project format, and this is what keeps all of your editable information intact. Once the file name and location are set, click Save. After that, GIMP may show a few prompts depending on your project, but in most cases you can simply confirm and continue. The important thing to remember is that saving as XCF does not flatten your image. That means if you come back tomorrow, next week, or even later, you can open the file in GIMP and keep editing exactly where you left off. You can move layers around, change text, adjust colors, delete elements, and make new changes without starting over. This is the safest way to work while your project is still in progress. Now, here's the key thing to understand. Standard devices, websites, and social media platforms usually cannot open XCF files. So if you want to share your design online, upload it somewhere, or send it to someone as a regular image, you need to export it instead of just saving it. Exporting converts your GIMP project into a common image format like JPG or PNG. To do that, go back to File in the top menu and choose Export As. You can also use the shortcut Shift+Ctrl+E on Windows, or Shift+Command+E on Mac. A new window will appear where you can choose the file name and format. In the Export window, type your file name and make sure you add the correct extension at the end. If you want a regular photo file, use .jpg. JPG is great when you want a smaller file size and simple sharing. But if your project has a transparent background that you want to keep, use .png instead. PNG is the better choice for logos, graphics, overlays, and anything where transparency matters. Once you've chosen the file name and format, click Export. After that, GIMP will open a settings window. For most users, the safest thing to do is leave the settings at their default values. In most cases, you do not need to change anything here unless you specifically know what you want. Just click Export one more time, and GIMP will create the final image file for you. That's it. Your project is now saved in an editable format or exported in a shareable format, depending on which option you chose. So let's quickly recap. If you are still editing and want to keep everything flexible, save as XCF. If you want to post, share, or upload the image, export as JPG or PNG. Think of Save As your working file, and Export as your finished file. That simple habit can save you a lot of frustration later, especially when you need to make changes after the fact. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.